Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is computer memory. We will discuss volatile and non-volatile memory. Memory on the basis of retention of data can be divided into two types, volatile and non-volatile. So what is volatile memory? Why it is called volatile memory? So let's discuss. Volatile memory is a computer memory that requires power, electricity to maintain the stored information. Volatile memory retains the data or information as long as power supply remains on. But when power supply goes off or interrupted, the stored data is lost. It is also known as temporary memory. Example of such memory are RAM and registers. Whenever CPU needs data and instruction for processing the data, an instruction must be in RAM so that they can be provided to the CPU. And when power goes or we shut down computer, all the contents are washed out or lost. That's why it is called volatile memory. Non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory is the type of memory which retain its data when the computer power is off or we shut down the computer. Non-volatile memory is a permanent memory that can retain the stored information even if power supply is off. Example of non-volatile memory include ROM, read-only memory, flash memory, magnetic storage devices like hard disk, magnetic tape, optical disc and Blu-ray disc. These all are non-volatile memory. They retain their data even if we shut down computer or power supply is off. Non-volatile memory is typically used for secondary storage or long-term storage devices for future uses. The primary memory, ROM, is also non-volatile memory. ROM is read-only memory. It contains a special program BIOS, basic input-output system, to boot up the computer system. All the secondary devices like USB, hard disk, CD-ROM, floppy disk, compact disk, these all are non-volatile memory. They are used for storing large amount of data, like in hard disk the operating system, the application software and all the documents are stored permanently. So these devices are also called backing storage or auxiliary storage devices. I hope you will learn this lecture. Allah Hafiz.